Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. If you haven't ever threaded a machine or forgot how to thread yours, I'm going to show you an easy way to thread your machine and just a couple tips to get you started. Okay, first of all, this is my Singer, and most machines are pretty much the same, but I have the sideways thread, so I put it on here, and then I have it so the thread is going under. Okay. Then there's guides. This little loop here, it goes through here. Now this is for your bobbin, okay? Then you're gonna put it through this little lever right here, okay? I'm gonna try to go real slow. There's more things here. So what I'm gonna do is it's going to take the thread. It's gonna go from here to here, through there, all the way down through here, and up again into this little notch right here, okay? Now you always want to turn your needle towards you, okay? So then you're gonna, it's like a little loop there. I'll see if I can get it up for you. And it goes through that little loop, and then you bring it on down, and there's a little thing right there, little notchy thing, see that? Then you can bring it through there, and then you can thread it through your needle either with a magnifying glass, or if you're like me, it's easier for you just to thread it directly, or you can use this is your automatic needle threader. A couple points to help you out here too is on my machine, this is my straight stitch. Okay, I have it set at 3, but yours might be different. This is my like a zigzag. I've got a bunch of stitches on the front of my machine. And this is my tension. Now you might have to play around with these to make it work right for you. And a lot of it, just depends on what you have. Underneath here is my bobbin. Okay? And I'm going to probably do another video with the bobbin, mainly because I'm going to need 2 hands or my tripod. But I hope this helps you to get started. At least threading the top. I'll have more videos like this out for you, but this can give you some suggestions. If you don't have your instruction book, you might be able to go on to Google Images and just type in Singer book, and you might be able to find it there. I'm sure there's other videos up if that helps you. And of course, what I do sometimes, I have a sister that sews a lot. I just call her on the phone if my tension is off or something, and I just ask a lot of questions. But I hope this helps you to get started and that you can see how I set up mine. Every machine is a little different, but they're also a lot alike. So anyway, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.